8.32, page number 294. So, NCERT textbook solutions, some basic principle and techniques, organic chemistry. So, 8.32. So, an organic compound contains 69% carbon and 4.8% hydrogen, the remainder being oxygen. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide and water produced when 0.20 grams of this substance is subject to complete combustion. So it is the question. Percentage of carbon is equal to 12 by 44 into weight of CO2 by WOC, weight of organic compound, into 100. So percentage of carbon is equal to 69%. 12 by 44, 12 means carbon weight, 44 means total carbon dioxide molecular weight, 44 into weight of CO2. So weight of CO2 will be calculated. WOC, weight of organic compound, is 0.2 grams, 0.2 into 100. Then weight of WCO2 is equal to 69, 44, 0.2. 69, 44 into 0.2, so 12 into 100. So the total value 0.506 grams, it is the answer. So weight of CO2 is equal to, or the mass of CO2 is equal to 0.506 grams. Next, another one, the subject we calculated percentage of hydrogen. Percentage of hydrogen formula is equal to 2 by 18. 2 by 18 means 2 is a hydrogen weight, H2O molecular weight is 18. So 2 by 18 into weight of water by WOC into 100. So percentage of hydrogen is equal to 4.8%. 2 by 18 into weight of H2O we will calculate it by WOC. So WOC 0.2 into 100. Then weight of water is equal 40.8 into 0.8 into 4.8 into 18 into 0.2 by 2 into 100. So the value is, so the total value is 0.0864 grams. So thank you, please subscribe.